Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. To get started, we'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I will be using settings as an example for this, so let's open it up. There we go. So once you have settings open, you can simply hold the power key and volume down at the same time. Or not, apparently. Let's see, is it click? There we go. So it's just a click instead of hold. And this will capture a screenshot, allowing you also to capture a scrollable one right here. As you can see, it allows you to scroll down. Now additionally, this is on the cover screen. You can capture it, but you can do the same thing when the screen is open. Although, let's see how so this still scrolls, but if we capture it now, yeah, we don't have the scrollable option anymore because there is two different parts you can scroll and the phone can't differentiate which one can be scrolled. So only a content that is on a full screen without like two portions scrollable can be captured in a scrollable mode. Now additionally, once you captured those screenshots, you can then find them in your gallery application. So as you can see, there they are. There is one, and then there's the second one, the super long one. And that is how you capture screenshots on this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.